G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm here at Parravans at Windsor and I've got something terrific to show you. This is the Atlantic Endeavour 20 foot with bush pack. What's bush pack? Oh, let me show you. This is the Alco Coupling. So it's an off-road coupling. The chassis is extended, the chassis is deeper. Because the chassis is extended, they can fit in the boot here, which is your toolbox, that's already done. You've also got 2 jerry can holders. This massive, massive tunnel boot. You're going to be so impressed with this. Look at all that storage space in there. And it opens up from the other side as well. All along here, you've got the checker plate, you've got the sound system coming out, you have your picnic table, you have the awning, there's LED lighting. There is so much more inside, but before we go in, let me tell you about the suspension, because this is off-road suspension. Because this is a semi-off-road van, you can go to places that others only dream of. This is really good. Now this is where it gets even more exciting, because you're probably familiar with having 4 hot plates, and that's good, but you've got 3 gas, 1 electric, but it's the Gorilla that you love. Gorillas are fabulous. To have those, you can have your toasties and do all the things that you want to do. A lot of caravans don't have a pot drawer. This has already got the pot drawer. That's thoughtful. Now you've got plenty of workbench area here, a terrific window, and here you've got a pantry area already done. But when you come through here, this is where it's really good. This is a 20-foot van, but you've got really easy access into your bed. So you've got wardrobes, you've got storage, but importantly, inside the wardrobes, there's power. So when you go to bed at night time and you want to plug in your devices, plugs are there. This is the Dometic IBIS 4 air conditioning unit. That's fabulous. This is wonderful. Have a look at that. It's the BM Pro Battery Plus 35. Now this lounge area is great. So you've got butte seating here, butte seating there, and you've got the table. But importantly, if you want the table bigger for your meals, you just pull that out, and now, easy as. That's good, isn't it? Here's something clever though. There's so much storage under the fridge. It's a great size fridge, but you've got storage underneath it, then the fridge, then the freezer. But this is where the luxury happens. Come on in, because you've got this full bathroom. It's not tiny, it's a full bathroom. Now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers, plus the cabinet, plus cabinets up there, extra drop-down LED lighting, exhaust fan, skylight, and the secret, you've got your own washing machine. And then everyone loves a butte shower. Have a look at that. That is a terrific shower. So what do? You give Parravans a call, send them an email, Parravans at Windsor, they'll help you.